Guys, in this video, I will explain you 15 features of Generatepress WordPress theme. Guys, if you want the high speed and the lightweight and SEO optimized theme, then Generatepress is the choice for you. It is a lightweight theme and it loads very fast. It has 2.3 million plus downloads. You can understand how this Generatepress theme is popular. And there is a 900 plus 5-star ratings and 2 million plus active websites are using the Generatepress theme. There are a 50k plus happy customers and it is secure and stable. It is less than 30 KB. It has the top type speed and it is search engine optimized. So for any website, search engine optimization is very important. If your website is good very with search engine optimization, then you will get lot of traffic from Google. In that perspective, the theme by default it is search engine optimized theme. The cost, coming to the cost, is $49.95, and if you purchase the premium version of Generatepress, you can use for unlimited websites. You can use Generatepress theme for free with limited features. So there is a 40% renewal discount and it offering the 30 days money back guarantee. That means if you are not satisfied within the 30 days of purchase of Generatepress theme, you can raise a question to Generatepress and the Generatepress will refund your money. And it is offering the 1 year support and updates for who take the premium theme. Guys, these are the 15 features of Generatepress theme. If you want the SEO optimized theme and the lightweight and fast loading theme, then Generatepress is the very choice for you. So guys, I hope this particular video will help you to pick the Generatepress theme. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.